teaching you how to make Tumblr videos using PicsArt and Funimate. Click the plus sign, go to all photos, click background, pick whatever photo you like or background, then go to stickers, then look up Polaroid frame, then pick whatever kind of frame you want. Place it, then click apply. Then click Tools, Selection, then crop out the middle of the frame, as shown in the video. Delete it, click Apply, then save it to your gallery. Then go to Funimate. Record and edit your video. Save it to your gallery.
Every day, she found her way out of the window to sneak out late. She used to meet me on the east side in the city with the sun on set. And every day, you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Every day, every day, she found her way out of the window to sneak out late. She used to meet me on the east side in the city with the sun on set. And every day, you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. Every day, she found her way out of
stickers. Go to your gallery. Get the sticker you just edited. And put it into your video. And there you go. There is your Tumblr video.